today in this video, we're going to understand how do we create interactive dashboards using Power BI. Basically, this video is split into two parts. In the first part, we're going to understand what are the essential elements required for creating a dashboard. Let's create few things, and in the part two, let's just take it forward and complete the entire dashboard creation. Pretty much you required a title to a dashboard, and you want to showcase your key performance indicators where you required cards for it. For you to make your dashboard go interactive, you want slices. For you to do some filtration on the visuals, you'll be requiring filters along with few other generic visuals, for which I've taken a data. The data is speaks about the orders data set, where it has order ID, the ID for each order placed, and the order date, when was it shipped, and what is the shipment mode. And we have few information about the customers, the customer ID, name, the segment of the customers, the country they are in, the city they are put into, the state they are belong to, and the orders from the different regions. Followed by we have few information about the products like product ID, category, subcategory, product name, followed by how much sales, what discount that product had, how much profit it made, and what quantity of product got sold. So this is the data set we have. We'll just analyze it through a entire dashboard. I'm just setting the wallpaper to the dashboard. So you have something called wallpaper. You can change the color to the way you want. And a dashboard should have a title. Let's just add a title. You have a text box. Just go to the text box. Since it's a orders data, some kind of sales analysis is what we are trying to interpret. So I'm just adding a heading, formatting the font size, making it bold, making it center align, and I'm adjusting it the way it needs to set to the upper portion of the entire report. So you can see you have effects. You can click on that, add a background to that headline. Yes. So this is how you have successfully added a background color and a title to it. Now we want key performance indicators, right? Let's just create cards. So you have card here. So since we want multiple visuals on a single Canva, let's just adjust it such a way that it goes and sits somewhere like this. So I just want profit. I'm just dragging and dropping profit here. So it says sum of profit. I will just do a few formatting to it. Just go to your format your visual. There is this value. Call out values, the way it is called in case, the thousands. If you want to change it, the figure, you can do it. I'm turning on the category label. You can see some of profit got vanished. Go to general, turn on your title, give a title to it. Title is, let's say, total profit. I'm just increasing its font size, making it go bold, making it to come center align, and I'm just adding a background color to it. Yes, looks good. So just go here, do Control C, have Control V, a visual is getting added. Let's just add, instead of total sales, we'll make it go total, profit will go total sales. Got it? Just go to your format, your visual, go to your general, go to title. Instead of profit, change it to sales. Do the pasting again, like Control V. We want a number of orders. So you can see you have order ID. Pretty much order IDs will give us a total number of orders placed. I'm just dragging and dropping that. But you can see it is giving the first order ID. You can see the field what is chosen as first order ID. We don't want first order ID. We want a count of it. Just click on this drop down. You can see on count, change it to count. See, it gave 9,994 are the orders. Almost 10,000 orders got placed. Go to format your visual, go to general and edit your title, total orders. So by this time you added a background color, a title and cards. I want to form slices. So slices is one segment which makes your visual go interactive. You can have a categorical slicer or you can have a numerical slicer. So you have a slicer option. Yeah, this is your slicer. I'm just making it go here, aligning it. Yeah, you have order date, right? I'm just dragging and dropping order date here. So what is that I want to do is if I'm changing my order dates, my whole entire visuals should get aligned to it. Let's say, for example, I'm here, first order got placed in 1/2019, last order is 12/2022, but I want the orders between 2019 to 2021. See, the moment I changed, the entire slicer value got changed. I mean, the cart value got changed. This is what we mean by making it go interactive. Okay. So here the suitable column that I have taken is order ID. Depending into your data, you can choose the appropriate column. I'm formatting this. I'm turning off the slicer header. Okay. Going on to general, turning on the title, adding the order date. Right? Just go here, click on any card, go to your format painter, come and click on this order date. Okay, whatever the formatting that you did, it gets applied to here. I'm just having one more slicer. See, we have states, cities, countries, everything, right? So we'll have one categorical slicer. So here what am I doing is here we have state. I'm dragging and dropping that state to here. So let's say if I'm clicking on any state, let's say California, if I'm clicking, see entire figures got a change. That is what I need. So go to your format your visual, turn off the slicer header, come to general, turn this on, have a title to it. Done. So come to your any slicer, go to your format painter, come and click on this. So the same formatting would get applied here too. So with this, we will just end our part one of dashboard creation. Let's just come back in the next video, complete the entire dashboard with few other visuals to it.